How to fix WhatsApp waiting for this message. This may take a while. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna look up for the method on how we can fix the error of your WhatsApp not showing your message on and it saying it's waiting. So in order to fix that, you just need to follow some steps. But before following those steps, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So first thing first, open your WhatsApp. After that, you need to go to the settings. Just tap on the three dot and tap on settings. After that, I want you to scroll down until you get chat, and here under chats, I want you to go under chat backup and make sure the backup is on. Just backup every of your chat. After that, what I want you to do is get back. After getting back, I want you to go to Play Store. You may just open Play Store and look for any kind of updates that you may have on your app. Just go to the search bar and search for WhatsApp. After going there, just tap on WhatsApp and see if there are any update available. If any update is available, just tap on update and wait for the app to be updated. And the very last option is just uninstalling the app and reinstalling the app onto your device. If that also doesn't work, you may just clear the cache of the particular app for the last time. You may just go to the app info. For that, just long press on the app and here go to storage. After going to storage, just tap on clear cache and that should fix your issue of your WhatsApp message pending. So in this way, you can solve your problems. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.